Welcome to Basic Cylinder Configuration, presented by MFP Seals. Today we are looking at a simplified example of a small hydraulic linear actuator. Hydraulic linear actuators operate using pressurized hydraulic fluid instead of pressurized air. All cylinders, whether hydraulic or pneumatic, have a few basic components that are the same in either format. These are the piston, the rod, the cylinder, and a gland, which holds the rod seals. The gland shown here is made of brass and is threaded into the cylinder. An MFP Seals GS gland seal is compressed between the gland and the cylinder to prevent any hydraulic fluid from escaping out of the threaded connection. Typically on a hydraulic linear actuator, the first seal in the gland, which is partially exposed to the environment, is a rod wiper, in this example, a D-wiper. The rod wiper is designed to keep contaminants out by wiping the rod clean as it extends and retracts. The second seal in the gland is a rod seal, in this case, an RTL, asymmetrical, twin-lip U-cup. Designed to be activated by the media, the pressurized fluid activates the U-cup, which presses the sealing edges against the gland and rod to form a tight seal, preventing any fluid from leaking out. In the piston groove, we can see a two-piece CPX piston seal, composed of an outer urethane cap and an inner O-ring expander. The expander applies pressure to the narrow single-line seal contact area, maintaining a positive seal regardless of system pressure. When a hydraulic pump pressurizes one of the chambers, the trapped, pressurized fluid makes the piston move in the direction of the unpressurized chamber. When a hydraulic pump pressurizes the other chamber, the piston and rod move in the opposite direction. Note that in this example, there is a single guide ring in the rod gland. Guide rings, also known as wear rings, are designed to eliminate metal-to-metal contact when side loads are applied to the rod, and as the gland and piston seals eventually wear out. This guide ring will help protect the gland and rod from making contact, but eventually the piston seal will wear and the cylinder could sustain damage. If you notice a reduction in performance of your small hydraulic linear actuators, you should inspect it for seal wear and make repairs before the cylinder, rod, or gland are impacted. For more information on seals for small hydraulic linear actuators, the different profiles available, and the selection of compounds available, please contact MFP Seals at sales@mfpseals.com or call us at +1 248 585 8170.